But I'm going to draw a very scribbly face, because everyone that knows me knows I like to draw scribbles. I just think scribbles are so cool. So now I'm kind of guessing where the shading would be on this face. So if he has a nose, let's see. Maybe I'll blacken out the whole eye. This one too. I want it to look like this. Just do this. And then let's see what kind of hair am I going to put on him. Maybe he has kind of like a hairdo who's like this. And I'm just going to do what I like to do. I like to scribble. Once again, I think scribbles are just cool because it makes it look rough. Doesn't make it look too refined. So maybe I can connect those. Darken that out a little bit more. And there's that. See if I can carry it through the body. Yeah, I like that right there. Sounds like that. That's how that one sounds. It sounds like that. No, but let's see. I like this slant I got going right here. It's kind of like a diagonal line. Really like that. I'm going to try to make his top of his head a little bit more pointed, a little bit back there. Different angles of the pen give different appearances on the paper. Even the way you hold the pen, you can hold it like this, hold it straight up, and all that stuff. So there's that. But if you want to get really daring, you could color it. I don't really like color pencils, but I'm going to use one. Right now I'm going to use a green color pencil. And I don't know if I should color this in, or should I just, I'm going to do this. Just a light color around him. Now I'm pressing a little bit harder, but leaving some of the light color there still, because I don't want to do it all dark. So I got this green, just a green color pencil, and there's that. Another shady face. So sign it. think today, today's September 9th. And that's it.